Welcome to channel of RD Technical Learning. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you one of the important Java programming interview question that was asked in the Verizon company. So this question was asked to the candidates who had applied in this company for the role of automation testing. How do you get capital letters from a given string? So let's say this is your string. Okay. So this is your string and you are supposed to get the capital letters from this string. So what all things we will do? So let us see this thing in the program. So let me open IntelliJ and show you the program for this. So I'll go and create a new class and I'll name it as capital underscore test one. Okay. Okay. Let me share the screen as well. Right. So this is your class capital underscore test underscore capital underscore test one. And within this, we'll create one main method. Okay. So before we do anything else, let me create one string as well. String s1 equal to this is a tip. Okay. Like this we will print. Now the objective is to print the capital letter. So how you will get the capital letter? So first of all, we'll take one string builder here. So we'll create an object of the string builder s2 equal to new string builder. Okay. And what we will do is we'll convert this string to a character array. Okay. So in order to convert it to the character array, then what we'll have to do is nothing but it's available. The character array is already available in Java. We will have the for loop as well. So we'll run for each loop. For every character of this string, you would want it to convert it to the char array. Now, why is this not coming? Because we have to create one method and we have to do all these things within the method. So we'll create a method public static, or let's say just public get capital letters. Okay, this is one of the method that we are creating and we will call this method get capital letters public string get capital letters. Okay, we'll call this method within our main method later on, right? First, let us work on this particular method. For each character, you want it to convert it to char array, right? Not only that, but we also want if we will have an if condition. If your character is including the capital letters. So we'll write if character dot includes, instead of this, let us write for if s1. This is an inbuilt method character, yeah, dot is uppercase. And here we will pass our character, right? Then what we want to do is we want if it includes uppercase, then it should be appended into your s2, which is our new string. So s2 dot append this particular string itself. So what we are doing is we are going for each loop. We are converting each of the string to the char array so that we can traverse through each and every character. For each loop is an enhanced loop that we are trying over here. We'll be repeating one, it might be repeating twice. So accordingly, we want to append the string, right? So this is an uppercase, but after that, again, it is coming. One more letter is coming, which is in uppercase. So we want to include that as well, right? So that's why we are using append here. Okay, why it's showing an error? So we want the parameter name here, put string str for now. Okay, so this is your if condition, which is getting closed here. And once this thing has been taken care, for each loop and your if condition has been taken care, right? Then after this, we want one particular thing to happen. We want the conversion of string builder again to string, right? So that's an important thing. So what we will write here is we'll write S2, right? This needs to be converted to your string. Okay, so we will have this as a one of the statement, right? Makes it more simple now. It is showing you to add the return statement, missing return statement. Now we want to return this itself, right? So there is no point of adding another return statement. You can return this itself, right, to the string. Now this is your public static void main. Now over here, what we will do is we'll create the object of this particular class. So we'll say capital underscore test1 obj equal to new capital underscore test1. Okay, and here we will write obj dot get capital letters, whichever is your string. So your string is your S1. Okay, so that you want to get printed, right? Obj dot just the string make static field S1 cannot be okay. Okay, so let me make this as static, right? Otherwise, it will not be able to call it inside. So let me make it as static. Write static string S1. Okay. Static string S1 equal to, and here we'll have system dot out dot println will print both S1 as well as will print system out dot S2. What happened to S2? Oh, create a local variable. Okay, let us just print S1 for now. If any error is coming later on, we'll show this. Let me first run this program so that you can understand what is happening in this program. So let me right click on it and let me run this. Yeah, so this is your original string itself, right? Now what we want is we want to get the only the capital letters from this particular string. You remember what was the question, right? The question is that they are looking for just the capital letters from this particular string, right? This is your string, but the interviewer is interested in just getting the capital letters from the string. So what we will do here now is we will come to this program again. Being over here, we'll write string, let's say capital letters equal to get of object dot get of capital letters, or we can also say string capital letters equal to just the capital. We have this get capital letters, right? So whatever the value we are getting here, that should be assigned to the variable, which is our string capital letters. Video sharing got stopped in between. Okay, so we were thinking to have the capital letters only. Okay, so now what we will do is we'll create one variable, and what we will do is, since this is already there, so we will use this obj dot get capital letters of S1, and now we will print this capital letters itself. Okay, so let me copy this print statement here, and we'll just print this thing here. Okay, simple. And now let me run this code. So you can see this is your original string. This is a demo. And this is your new string, that is THADE, the capital letters only. So basically what we have done in this particular program is we converted first the string to the character array, right? We converted the original string to the character array, and then we ran the for each loop. So we iterated through each particular character. Then we checked if it is an uppercase or not, to check if the character is uppercase or not, right? Similarly, if you have to convert it to the lowercase, you will check if it's a lowercase or not. Okay. So, and we created this string builder. While returning the result, again, we converted the string builder to string using the toString method. And then we printed the extracted X capital letters. So this was the solution for the Java programming question that was asked in the Verizon company. And this kind of questions can be asked to you. So you have to be prepared, right? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.